Flowers is saying, she is saying that your grandma, she was saying that you study a lot whenever you get time, but only study, only reading, those are you just note down and write down on papers. But you have to speak, you have to reveal, you have to express yourself. That is the main factor, so that there should be clarity of your inner feelings, according to Bertha Flowers. Because she was the activist, guys. Just when I started the chapter, I told you about that she also took part in the struggle of racialism. She was the activist, the author was the activist, and that is why Bertha Flowers, this character, actually it is the mouthpiece of the author. Through her character, the author is saying that you have to speak up, you reveal yourself, you raise your voice, not to only write on papers. It is better that you speak rather than writing on papers. I memorized the part about the human voice infusing, that means filling. Infusing means Filling, filling words. It seemed so valid and poetic. She said she was going to give me some books and that I not only must read them, I must read them aloud. She suggested that I try to make a sentence sound in as many different ways as possible. Then she told her that I will give you some books, and those books you must read, and you read those books loudly. I'll accept no excuse if you return a book to me that has been badly handled. My imagination boggled at the punishment I would deserve if in fact I did abuse a book of Mrs. Flowers. Death would be too kind and brief. In a humorous manner, the author says, I could not say anything, but according to me, death, it was easier rather than accepting those books from Mrs. Flowers. The odors in the house surprised me. Somehow I had never connected Mrs. Flowers with food or eating of any other common experience of common people. There must have been an outhouse too, but my mind never recorded it. The sweet scent of vanilla had met us as she opened the door. I made tea cookies this morning. You see, I had planned to invite you for cookies and lemonade so we could have this little chat. The lemonade is in the ice box. So, Mrs. Flowers, when she opened the door, a very nice aroma, it has come out from inside. There is an outhouse. So the author, she is saying that she had no idea about the outhouse, but today she has come to know that there is an outhouse. So from that outhouse, that aroma means the scent, it was coming, the essence of vanilla, it was coming. And Mrs. Flowers, she is saying that today I have prepared tea cookies and I was wanting to invite you, but today, that is coincidentally, she has come, or you have come to my house, and apart from this, that means apart from the cookies, I will serve lemonade also to you. And because it was summer, so she has kept the ice in the ice box. So guys, today reading up to here, on the basis of today's lesson, or on the basis of today's lecture or chapter. First, I am going to give you 10 words. You note down those 10 words and you have to write the meanings of those 10 words. Let us start. The first word is aristocratic. 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 Aristocratic slash aristocrat. 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 Aristocratic, aristocrat slash then aristocrat. Now the second word is sopped around. SOPPED. Sopped around. 3. Tout. TAUT. Tout. 4. Voile. I told you about the fabric. VOILE. Voile. 5. Snagged. SNAGGED. 6. Ruffle. R for rat. RUFFLE. 7. Benign. 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 8. Unasked. 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 One word. 9. Infuse. INFUSE. 10. Outhouse. OUTHOUSE. So guys, on the basis of today's lecture, note down 5 questions and answer these 5 questions. Question number 1. The story Mrs. Flowers is under which category? The story Mrs. Flowers, within inverted comma, is under which category? There are many categories of stories or novels: supernatural, natural, unnatural, and autobiographical. So under which category this story comes? Question number 2. Who is Margaret in the story? You have noted down the spelling Margaret already. Who is Margaret in the story? Question 3. What kind of dress Mrs. Flowers likes to wear? What kind of dress Mrs. Flowers likes to wear? Question 4. On what topic Mrs. Flowers was discussing with Margaret? On what topic Mrs. Flowers was discussing with Margaret on the way to her house? Margaret on the way to her house. And the 5th question is, what was the aroma? That means the smell or good smell, that is called aroma. Smell of any cuisine. What was the aroma? AROMA. Aroma Margaret inhaled. Margaret inhaled. INHALED. That means he received the smell. What was the aroma Margaret inhaled when Mrs. Flowers opened the door of her house? when Mrs. Flowers opened the door of her house. So guys, this much for the day. You will write the meanings of these 10 words and write the answers of these 5 questions. So on the basis of my lecture and those words from your book itself. So till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.